Welcome to Anil TV Education. Today's our topic is infinitives. Infinitives. The infinity is a simple form of a verb with or without the word to. So here we can use with to infinity or without to infinity. So there are two types of infinitive verbs. This is a kind of non-infinitive verbs. So here example, she wants to help. To help is there, no? So it acts as a to infinitive. So they are here to tell you something. Here to is used before the verb. So whenever the to is used before the verb, so it called as two infinitives. So here the infinitives without to is called as bare infinitives. So and infinitives with to is called as the to infinity. So here without using. So suppose she want to help. Here to is not used there. She want to help. So only verb is there. So only verb is there means so it indicates. So we call it as bare infinitive. So when to help is used, it acts as a to infinitive. So here such examples. I do know him. So here no is there. Before to is there? No, it is not there. So it is called as bare infinitives. So here he will get you know you are better. So here to know is there. Whenever in the sentence to is used before the verb, it indicates to infinitives. Now we discussed about bare infinitives. So here there are four rules. So here first one, it usually follows an auxiliary verb like do. So here auxiliary verb follows with do. So here do comes front with the auxiliary verb. So here you see I do like the idea. So here do is used before the verb. So here like is an auxiliary verb. So here do is used before that one. So here second one, follows modal auxiliaries like can, could, shall, will, may, must, etc. So when are the words starts with these auxiliary words, these are nothing but it is called as helping verbs. Whenever these words are there, then you think that it follows an auxiliary verb. So these are all bare words. So you can tell. So here first what is there? Can. Can is what? Modal auxiliary. So here tell is a what? Verb. So here when is the tell is verb? So it indicates with bare infinitives. You can tell her the news. So here they must be thrilled. So here be is a verb. So it follows with must. So here it comes under bare infinitive. Second one, third one. Follows verbs such as see, watch, hear, feel, sense, let, help, make, etc. So such words are comes under bare infinitives. So here I saw the whole place. So here place. So here it comes under what? Crumble. So here sa is there, no? So it comes under crumble. Crumble is nothing but bare infinitive words. We could not help but notice it. So here help is there, no? So here such words, after that it comes under notice. Notice it as a verb, it acts as a bare infinitives. So here fourth one, follows had, better and why. So here used had, better and why. So here example, we had better start. So here had, better is there, no? So whenever we find had, better, that indicates to bare infinitive. So right is a, start is a verb, right way. So here why spend it. So when the question starts with why, it comes under bare infinitives. The infinitive, the to infinitive where we use to. So the to infinitive follows the main verb in a sentences. So here example, I want to buy a new mobile. So here new mobile is a nothing but it is a Noun, so it follows with a main verb to buy. So here it is a to buy is nothing but it is buy is a main verb. So he what he want to buy? He want to buy a new bike. To is there. So here to buy is a verb. So here it follows with to. So it is called as a to infinitive. So we want to buy a house. So buy is a verb. So it is followed with to. So it is called as a to infinitives. So here it can be used as a subject or as complement in a sentence. So here to wait them to keep them waiting will not be a polite. So here to keep it acts as a subject. So here they will waiting will not be polite. So it acts as a compliment. So here reverse to that, it will not be polite to keep them waiting. So here polite is there. So it acts as a subject here. So to keep it has acts as a complement here. So here we can change it as a subject or complement as subject. Infinitives. So here where we use infinitives, so there are some rules. So here uses of infinitives. So to show the purpose. So for what purpose we are using, what is the main reason? So that comes under using infinitives. You must finish your assignment today. So here finish. So here before that I said that when such words must, so help, such words are comes under infinitives. So here when it is must is used, so here finish is a word, so it comes under infinitives. So to lose weight, so it here lose is a verb, so here what is there? To is there, so it is indicates two infinitives. So here to lose weight you must exercise, so here must is there, so here it indicates the bare infinitives. So here to show a result, she left early only to find. So here find is a verb. So here to is used before that. So it is indicates to two infinitives that the bus were more crowded. So here next one to express a comment. So here to tell. So here tell is a verb, before to is used. It indicates infinity, two infinitives. So here to tell you the truth, I don't trust him much. So here to tell is indicates to infinitive, that it is called as to infinitive. Thank you.